Welcome back, first-time home buyers. Today we're going to explore the pros and cons of buying a new construction home versus a resale home. Both options are great. They have advantages and disadvantages, so let's dive in to help you make that informed decision. Let's start with the pros of buying a new construction home. Firstly, you're going to get a brand new home that nobody's ever lived in, customized to your preferences. So from choosing the floor plan and finishes to having the latest energy efficient features, the possibilities are endless. Another benefit is that new construction homes often come with warranties, and that can give you peace of mind just knowing that major components of your home, like appliances and the different mechanical systems, are covered for a certain period. Now let's explore the advantages of buying a resale home. One significant advantage is that the established neighborhood and mature landscaping, you're going to get that more sense of community. There's usually more proximity to amenities and a better idea of what the neighborhood will look like in the long run because you're moving somewhere that's already been established. On the new construction, you really don't have any idea what it's going to be like. Resale homes also have that track record, allowing you to research past performance in terms of how the neighborhood or how the home has appreciated over a long period of time. Additionally, inspections play a really crucial role when you're buying a resale home. With a resale home, you have the ability to do that home inspection to uncover any potential issues and negotiate repairs before you actually go and close on the property. Now let's discuss some considerations here. When it comes to new construction, you may have a lot longer timeline for completion. Lately, I've heard 6 to 9 months, sometimes even longer, and there are many times delays due to weather or construction on new properties. On the other hand, resale homes are going to offer a quick move-in and a very, very streamlined process. Price is also an important factor for you to consider. So new construction homes may come with a higher price tag due to customization options and all these new technology and new features, while resale homes might have more room for negotiation and potentially a lower purchase price. So in the end, the decision to buy a new home versus a resale is going to depend on your priorities and your circumstances. So look at your personal budget, your timeline, the location, and your long-term plans before you actually make a choice like this. It's very, very important. You also want to consult with at least one really good experienced local real estate agent who specializes in new construction or resale properties, just to get some additional insights tailored to your specific needs. And remember, whether you choose a new construction or a resale home, it's important to weigh those pros and cons based on your preferences and your family's goals. So take your time, do your research, and work with that close, tight-knit group of professionals on your wealth team who can guide you through that process. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today. I hope you found value in it. And if so, please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. As always, feel free to reach out to me for a personal consultation. I am licensed in Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Florida, and you can reach me at 860-413-3938. As always, I hope that helps, and until next time, happy house hunting. Take care.